Day 2 of Vagabond vacation Tulum. We're in the hotel zone of Tulum. First we have this private villa, which was pretty hard to find. Tulum is a very busy place, but here people can shoot. They didn't even want to wait for the intro. Everybody started shooting already. We got doing his thing. Some people there, some people there. All good, creative fun. We're gonna start off with a group drone shot. It's Dario's idea. He wants to create like a lifestyle drone shot where the drone reveals more and more cool motions, activities that people are doing. And Alessia is gonna do something with this machete. It's very difficult to control her when she's holding dangerous things. Yeah, she's gonna break a coconut. Hopefully just the coconut, not my fingers.
Wow, Dario, you look amazing like this.
It's a new European trend. This is high fashion, so
what's it called, sir?
it's a nipple-kini.
You need two, no?
It's still in pre-production.
Ciao, ciao, Dario.
Ciao, ciao. See you next one.
Ciao, ciao. Dario had an idea to take a drone shot with the group, so let's go check that out.
We fly slowly and we use some speed ramps. It should be fine.
The drone pilot.
A vagabond pilot.
So I'll explain you the idea what we have right now. Alex is gonna jump over the drone, then he's gonna come give a sweet little kiss to Sam here. Juan will be shooting Megan. We'll fly through that. And we have Alessia chopping the coconut here. Hopefully not the drone, just the coconut. If the drone survives this, it's gonna be worth it, the shot for sure. But if the drone is gone, well then of course there might be no shot at all. No pressure, Dario.
Okay.
Yeah, this will be a rough one.
We got a yoga pose going on there. Okay, that is gonna look dope. I'm really happy I'm not the pilot of the shot. I'm, to be honest, nervous in Dario's place. Yeah, we're just a model. Usually it's quite hard to be a model also, but I would say this time I prefer to be a model than the photographer or videographer of this. Well, except if I would have to do that yoga pose there. Then I'm screwed. The drone is coming. Alejandro jumped. Coconut is cut. Oh. It's worked! First try! Woo! All the people are checking the shot. Let's see if it worked out. So what's up? What's up?
It's amazing.
Very nice.
Hey. I like the creative idea here of Martin. There's a lot of shadow with the leaves, so they want to kind of align it with the spine and get a creative shot with the shadows of it. This is the advantage of sometimes taking your time for a shot. You can really figure it out even before you start shooting, where you want the model to be, what lighting you need. It's gonna look cool.
Hello.
never too much oil. I think it's the first bottle of the day, still full. Not a bad place to be in as a photographer in the pool. Orange is really your color actually.
I prefer you look to the side, so I don't have light in the face.
I like what's going on there with the pose of Meg. Honestly, sometimes I forget in my photos or videos. People can do other things than standing or walking around. Laying, sitting, there's way more options to pose sometimes.
Alessia asked me to take a photo of this scene with her rough, sexy outfit, machete, and chopping a coconut. I'm gonna switch to my wide-angle lens because I like the scenery behind you, Jonah. Coconut tree and some ladder, climb the coconut tree. That kind of gives that shot some story because you see where the coconut comes from, how she got it, and then she's chopping it. That's always what I like to do. I kind of call it lifestyle vibes, which is like making the story realistic.
I like the pose here with Alessia, and I like JC's pose also. You like my booty? Don't touch the models, but the photographers you can touch. We have a ladder here in the location. Don't know how stable it is. Dario, what do you think?
I'm part of the ladder at this point.
It's not very stable.
I'm trying my hardest here.
This is what I call teamwork. Photographer, model, and then a guy supporting the ladder.
Yeah, I am the ladder.
That was for me the obvious story. The one girl climbing up, one girl chopping, sexy coconut crew.
I think you don't see this anywhere except on Vagabond vacation. I like the combo of the orange and then the kind of brownish.
Looking at the rust.
Yeah, it looks really good.
You can just move around. We'll do for a few freestyle poses. More where we put you here on the corner, and we can use a little bit of foreground in the shot. Yes, you can sit down once again.
So we had a little surprise for the models today, thanks to Michelle here from Amicis Tulum. So the models are gonna choose a Tulum outfit, and that's gonna look amazing in the location that we're gonna shoot after, which is Kanan, one of the most Tulum looking places. So Tulum outfit, Tulum location, it's gonna be perfect. Don't think I've ever seen the girls so silent. Everybody's just checking what they want. Oh, with the studs.
Cool, right?
Oh yeah,
nice
I like
style
it
on
actually.
the back,
Bikini bottom with some
A
punk.
little bit rougher Tulum style, a little bit more edgy.
Oh, you have the red one, nice. I saw this when I arrived and I thought somebody's gonna pick this, I think.
I was like, I hope this is the store we got.
This is for you. This is for me.
Yeah. Sexy.
Too small for my dick.
Next up, we're at Kanan, Tulum. This is one of the most Tulum looking, most exclusive hotels and beach clubs. We have the privilege of shooting some content here with the whole group. We couldn't even wait for the group shot this time. It's so beautiful, so magnificent here. Photographers can't control themselves. They're already shooting. But in any case, Juan is now waiting for the last girls to get ready, to get them all together, to have a very nice Juan type group shot.
When I do a group shot, it's always important to kind of have the lighting the same on all the models. So that's what Juan is trying to do now. Thinking 30 minutes the light is gonna be perfect or something, but right now it's already very, very nice, and the locations is, oh, look at this here. I love what's going on.
Don't lean back, right?
Yeah, please don't fall.
Everybody's ready?
I'm just gonna grab a drone shot. Oh, there's a model in the drone.
Yes, there's a model ready. I make 3, 2, 1. You make a killer pose. Not a funny one, but really a badass one. You can make with the head. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Make the pose for me.
Actually, with the glasses also, it's also kind of DJ glasses,
Yeah,
you know?
that's right. Wiki, wiki, wiki.
Yeah, you should have your turntables here and just
exactly.
little sunrise set. Check what Nina is doing. Hello guys.
Yes.
Nina, no pressure, but it's kind of hard to not take fire shots here, so, but no pressure.
No, vagabond vacation.
Thank you.
I'm gonna fix you, is that okay?
I don't know if you guys heard this, but even though that Nina is a female herself, she still asked to the model, hey, can I fix her back? Is that okay? Don't forget, if you want to adjust something with the clothing of the model, sometimes it's necessary to get the best photos, but please ask her. A new camera?
Yeah, because I'm going to get this camera this year. I want to check it out.
Well, this is a pretty nice place to do a test shoot.
Yeah.
Booty shot.
Booty shot.
I literally arrived 1 second ago with Brandon and he's grabbing a booty shot.
Sometimes you need a good booty shot.
I like the pose, Brandon.
You like my pose?
Makes sense. I was gonna say that's kind of your signature pose. But yeah, obviously because of the dragon there. It's pretty awesome because every photographer almost has his own private shooting location with like everybody having their own egg to shoot in. Wow, I'm very happy guys. I hope one day you can be happy with us. Join the Vagabond Vacations. So check out the website if you ever thought about joining. If you have any questions, write us. We're all about connecting like-minded creators and having a good time shooting. We've been shooting quite a lot upstairs. So let's actually check what's going on indoors here. I really like it. The light is super soft here also because it comes in.
I love the way it filters through right here, man.
Yeah, I really like how they are using the location here. As you can see, the model using the pillow, the table and everything to pose on. But if you don't use the location, and the shot oftentimes get a bit repetitive and the same. But this is really different than the upstairs shot. Oh, this is a great pose, Brandon. You gotta capture that.
Yeah, I'm capturing it from above right here.
Capturing the vision. All the girls are all dressed with the same brand, so that's an awesome opportunity to take some group shots. Like these two stunners here and this stunner here. Get your hand a little bit more closer. That sounds good there, yeah.
I just pressed the button. One calibrated for me.
This is why you walk around in the location, so you can find a spot like this and a photographer like this. This is the shot.
Wow, amazing.
Another great tip is sometimes let your model know what you actually see in a photo. For example, tell her, hey, it's a portrait, you only see this. Or it's kind of a mid shot, you see until below or up your waist, see full body. Then she actually knows what the most important parts are to focus on for the posing. Well, I'm gonna grab a shot all the way from back there, so you see the entire structure of the place. There are a lot of things important in photography and videography, but one of them is for sure color contrast. And Julia is wearing an awesome red dress. And the environment is more brown, like earth tones, and some green from the plants. So obviously the red is really gonna pop. Alessia and Olga here. We take some duo shot because the both of them are wearing red. I was gonna say, yeah, it's a dragon. No, it's not. It's some weird cat.
You know what is it?
It looks like a wolf.
Yeah, but one on drugs or something.
Amazing.
These are gonna be great shots. One just asked Olga, show me the dragon, because obviously here with this crazy animal spirit, she needs to show off the dragon and the fire. We had to take a quick romantic shot of JC and Alessia. We got a whole film crew now. Me shooting some video, one shooting some photo of them. And Olga is now gonna grab even a phone shot of them. Right now we're at the beach of Kanan and we're gonna take some shots here before the sun is gone and the day has finished, the shooting day. Got these two awesome little swings here. This place is literally insane. Check out what they're shooting in it. Now they're grabbing some awesome shots of Amy as well. She apparently has a secret skill with the pole. Okay, that's pretty cool.
Very cheesy second
thing. You saw it. There's a lot of dope places to shoot here, but I just saw they're using the tree, kind of like a deserted tree here on the beach to shoot. So let's check that out because it looks really good. Getting a little cloudy and stormy here. To be honest, pretty dope here in this spot. How did you like it today, Brandon?
It was amazing, as usual. Yeah, I love this hotel. I've never seen a hotel like this before, man. All wood, like, felt like you were gonna fall through the floors, but you don't.
No, I'm happy you're still here.
Yeah, I made it.